Hi everyone, I got the new Gina K Designs kit for the month of June. So let's open this up and I'll show you what this month's kit is. And they had a lot of good things. They had a Master Layouts 12 now that has like a vintage scroll type of thing for the border of your cards. So we'll open this up. I also bought a curved floral stencil that I'm sorry I didn't get the kit a couple months back because it had it in there and then I liked it after. So they always package it well. Even if you only get a few things, they make sure there's a lot of this sticky bubble tape, bubble wrap around it. Because a lot of times packages come damaged. Not so much these boxes. The kits come in these boxes here. But like if there's like if you're only getting a couple of things and it's just in a regular package, it always comes up beat up. But everything inside's always good. Because they pack it well. So here's the curved floral stencil that I purchased. It's not part of the kit. This is something extra. And it curves like this and I love it. So you got the flowers here, you got the leaves, and then it's a 3-part stencil. Then the one behind this, you can see these little flowers. They like little flowers appeared over here and it's really, really nice. The only thing is I'm not going to use this until I get the die with it. The die also cuts out the image, so you can cut out the die first, put it down, tape it, and then put your stencils on it in color. So I'm going to wait for the die to come in. The die is not available right now. It's already sold out. So as soon as that comes back in stock, I'm on a wait list. I'll get it and then I'll make a card with this. I really love this and I'm sorry I didn't get that kit a couple months back because it's more money now. Like that, it's more money when you do that, you know. So sometimes it's worth getting it and sometimes it's not. So this was the kit for the month of June. It's the vintage summer card kit. You got these vintage images over here. You got all these silhouettes on this side. You got all the dies. These are all the dies for this stamp set. These are just silhouettes, so there's no die for that. It's just, you know, a silhouette on your card. That's what that's for. It comes with, well, this month you got something free. So you got a little Adirondack chair with the umbrella and the little cutouts for on top of the umbrella, so you can make it whatever color you want. And it also came with this layering stencil with these pretty flowers. So you put this one down first, then you do this one. This gives you all the leaves, and then these give you the little flower buds like around here. So I'm excited to use that too. So this was all in the kit and it was $59.95. Now if you get them separate, let's say you don't want this whole kit. Let's say, because every month when the kit sells out, that's it. They'll break up the pieces and then you can buy them individually. But if you wanted to buy this and this is going to run you around $23.95 or so. And same thing with the dies. So it's better to get the kit. Believe me, I've done it before where I was like, well, just like with this, I was like, well, I really like that, I think, but seeing that I was sorry I didn't get the kit. So sometimes I get the kit and I'm like, nah, but sometimes I'm really sorry I didn't get the kit, and that was one of those times. So here is the free die set she gives you. It's called At the Beach. So we get that. You're not going to believe all the dies in this set. Look at all these dies. That is crazy. All these dies. Okay. And vintage summer set. This goes with that. That coordinates with, that's the dies with this. So you get that pretty bird. I really, really liked this hot air balloon. I can't wait to use it. The fonts, they were all right. I'm not crazy about them, but, well, no, they're not bad now that I'm looking at them. It's grateful for you, lifting you up in prayer. You raise me up. Thinking of you. Congratulations. Hello. Life is a journey. Enjoy the ride. So these are really, I really like these fillers too. And this could be for anything, you know, that you can use this for anything. But look at that butterfly. I love that butterfly. And she always has butterflies, and I have a lot of her butterflies, and they're always a little different. And I really like this one. And tonight she did a video where she did all like a light pink, but then she put a darker pink right over here. And it really looked nice. But I like the shape of that and everything. So that's that set. And it comes with the ocean silhouettes. All right. So it's got a lot of nice sayings there. I do like the font on this one. And today is all about you. I like that. That can be for birthday. That can be for Father's Day, Mother's Day. That's a really good greeting to have. And then, like I said, you get the layering stencil. So I will definitely make a card with this in the future. But I just wanted to show you quickly what was in her kit this month. I also got some things from Temu, but I kind of put them away. Let me see if I can quickly find some of them here. Because I was like, I don't know if these guys want to keep seeing these hauls. So I've had a couple hauls and I haven't really shown you guys because I don't know if you're getting sick of them or what. But I think these were like 98 cents. They were the lightning deals in the lightning deals category, and they're all different color hearts. And I thought they were going to be a little bit bigger than these, but that's okay. I would like some hearts in random colors, so these are really pretty. I got that. I got this little bee die. How cute is that? The little bee. And then you get the body and the wings. That is just so cute. So I think that was under $1. I'm working on a strawberry shortcake journal, so I got these flat back strawberries that are charms. But I also got these whole strawberries. So I got those. And I got these tiny little ones. And I was hoping more came in the pack. I'm probably going to put this on some of my journal pages. I was hoping a little bit more came in the pack, but that's all right. I got that. Is there anything else in reach that I got? Let's see. I don't think so. Oh, let me show you quick my paper pack. I also got this red lace because I have tons of laces, but I got some red lace for the spine. I don't have, go figure, I don't have this color and this type of material. And then, as you know, I hauled those paper packs from Michael's, but I needed something specific. So I went on Temu and I was looking up like strawberry paper or whatever. Nothing came up. And wouldn't you know, the next day or two, I went in there and, you know, sometimes they show you a picture. This was the picture they showed when you first went on the site. And I was like, oh my God, I need that. This is what I was looking for because it has the green that matches strawberry shortcake. So, you know, this was like $3.59. And, you know, kind of hurts because we're so used to getting the 12 by 12s at like $5, you know, and here we are over here with a 6 by 6. But as you know, it's like a specialty kind of item because it's for a specific journal I'm making. So, you know, sometimes you have to just bite the bullet and get I mean, it's still a good deal, but you know, just in comparison to the 12 by 12s for $5 for 48 sheets, these are, I think there's only like 12 sheets in here. But like I said, it doesn't matter. This is the colors I was going for. It's going to match perfectly. That's all I care about. So I'm going to throw some of these in that journal. And when it's done, I'll show you. So I got a couple other things from Temu, but I can't really remember. They were just like little dies and stuff. Oh, here's a few things. I got these little popsicles just to have for a charm. They're earrings, but you know, I'll use them as a charm because we have swaps coming up in the summer and I might need to use something like this. So I got these, and I got these flip-flops because I'm in a swap right now where I'm doing a big jumbo tag, and I thought these were cute. Again, they're earrings, but maybe I'll hang them off the tassel or something. I'm not going to use them as earrings. So that's really all I've got recently. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.